So on a visit to Jarrett Bay Boat Works in North Carolina, I came across a very unique boat, which I just had to share. They're the biggest jet drives I've ever seen in my life. I didn't think you have them on these boats, the size of these things. Big ass jet ski. Sucks all the water in there. Given the size of these intakes and the force that must be behind it, I can't imagine how many items get sucked up and spit out of this boat. Insane. It looks like a monster-sized blender. The other exhaust. And that's the intake. These thin aluminum tubes had to be some sort of cooling mechanism for something internal. If you know what it is, leave it in the comments. There's always something interesting to see as you're walking around a boatyard like this. This poor guy appears to have run over one too many crab pots. On our way down to North Carolina, we were dodging countless crab pots along the way as we traveled through the bays and even in some of the channels. So you got to be especially careful to watch out for them. You pull one of those up in your props, you're going to run into this.
Okay. Thanks. Thanks, Neil. Yep.